In today's video, we're going to be taking a look at the DeWalt push and flip folding utility knife. I picked this up at Home Depot. It set me back about 15 bucks. Came with a spare blade, but we'll take a close look at it and go over a few of its features, and I'll let you know what I think about it. Straight out of the package, I haven't put the blade in yet. Here's the blade it came with, but to open it, you just push the button down and flick it open. Comes open and locks in place, nice and firm. And to put the blade in, you just pull back on this little clip, and then you slide your blade in there, and it'll lock in place. It locks in nice and firm. And to take the blade out, pull up on it, slide the blade out. That's how that works. And to close the knife, you just push the button and it closes. I actually really like the action on it, and I like the feel of it. Has some little serrations on the back right here, and then a little indentation for your finger. So it has a really nice, slim feel to it. The material is kind of a hard plastic. Has your wire clip and like a little lanyard clip right here. And for comparison, I have a few other knives. I got the Husky and then my little Gerber. With the blade out, it measures in at about 6.5 inches. And with the blade in, you're looking at about 4 1/4 and about a 1/2 inch wide. So that's the dimensions of it. That's the action. The action's really smooth on this. I really like it. I like how firm it is too. Has a really good feel to it. Like I said, I picked it up at Home Depot. It set me back like 15 bucks. And here's a few of the other knives. We'll do a quick side comparison. But that's about all I have to say about it. If you have any questions about this knife or anything else you see on the channel, let me know down in the comments. Again, this is the DeWalt push and flip folding utility knife. The model number is DWHT10991.